Ash and me were at, we were both watching, I think, Salman dance on stage. Oh, this is Hamraz in Kuala Lumpur. दिल ने कर लिया एतबार हमको हो गया तुमसे प्यार. This is our smiling picture जो we are shitting bricks but we are smiling through it, not revealing that actually हमारी फट रही थी. So this is with Sanju. He's very protective and possessive. With him, when I go to his house, I'm not allowed to wear shorts, I'm not allowed to wear western clothes, I have to be in a salwar kameez. मैं तेरी शादी करवाऊंगा, मैं लड़का ढूंढूंगा, मैं कन्यादान करूंगा. So I said, Sunny, you are in a pathani, you're all hidden with your leg warmers and everything and you're not freezing. मेरे तो पतले पतले, सलवार कुर्ता है, मैं कुछ नहीं पहन सकती अंदर. So we were actually having a discussion on how freezing cold it was, but people thought he's discussing my toes and my shoe. Even in Kahona Pyar Hai, in the island scenes, in between shots, I'd jump into the ocean. And Hrithik was like, "What the hell are you doing? Get out!" I'm like, "I want to swim. I want to do my bit." Salman has this habit of never rehearsing. He's like, "Amisha, you do everything. I'll follow." So sometimes what happens is he's singing my lines, I'm singing his lines, and it's a complete riot on stage. So every show is different. Oh, a small little cute part in Om Shanti Om with my dream lover SRK. I hope this picture is just not a picture and one day becomes a full-fledged film.
25 years since there was so much to ask and nahi khatam kar pai main. So what I have done is got some really cool, fun BTS pictures of Amisha from her famous characters in films with her co-stars, and let's see what memory does it rejig and what anecdotes can she tell us. Oops, it's already out. So we'll give her one by one. All right, let's
Wow,
go.
I'm waiting to see these.
First one.
Oh, lovely. This is beautiful. So, Ash and me were at a show together and we were both watching, I think, Salman dance on stage. And I was working with him on Ye Hai Jalwa, and I think that was the time she was seeing him, and we were both like admiring and talking about him and laughing. So this is that time.
That's a very beautiful picture. Okay, next up. There are some unexpected pictures. I hope you will not kill me. But I have tried my best to find as much as I could. Okay.
Oh, this is Hamraz in Kuala Lumpur. दिल ने कर लिया एतबार हमको हो गया तुमसे प्यार. Brilliant chemistry with Bobby and me. The film climax that led to people saying, "ये तो तेरी भाई की अमानत है, तू इसके साथ क्या कर रहा है?" So this was tough to convince people that okay, I can be with Sunny Deol, but I can also be with Bobby Deol. I'll have equally good chemistry, different, but I'll have chemistry.
One of the few actresses I think who have great chemistry with both the
Deols.
Both
Yeah.
Deols.
And I worked with Abhay and Honeymoon Travels, so I worked with them all.
We had 3 Deols covered.
Yeah.
So then coming back to Deols itself.
Oh my god. Okay. So this picture went humongously viral, and this was the first day of shoot, the Muhurat shot in the freezing cold of Gadar 2 in Palampur. And I posted this picture and I said, what are Tara and Sakina talking about? So I had comments like, he's talking about your shoe, he's talking about this, he's talking about that. And actually, Tara was being the real life Tara and saying, I hope you've worn enough leg warmers and all under your clothes because it's terribly cold. So I said, Sunny, you are in a pathani, you're all hidden with your leg warmers and everything and you're not freezing. मेरे तो पतले पतले, सलवार कुर्ता है, मैं कुछ नहीं पहन सकती अंदर. So we were actually having a discussion on how freezing cold it was. But people thought he's discussing my toes and my shoe.
Fun. Oh, this is an unexpected.
And that it was hugely viral, that picture. Oh, another beautiful film. My first with Akshay Kumar. This was in South Africa when we were shooting for Mere Jeevan Sathi. And it was a very beautiful film that we made and had very emotional moments. And this was part of the title track, Mere Jeevan Sathi. So that is that picture. Again, great chemistry.
Yes.
And lovely picture. Oh my God. Okay, so this is Ritik and me, and I had to convince him. Albeit, I must warn you all this. We were shooting in New Zealand for the second half of Kahona Pyar Hai, Raj's character and Sonia's depressed character. And it was freezing cold. It was the month of January or February, or I think New Zealand sees the winter much. No, it sees it in the summer when we are in the summer. So it was minus 15, minus 12. It was snowing, like you could tell in the film. And I wanted to actually go skydiving. Okay. And I was always that sort, like even in Kahona Pyar Hai, in the island scenes, in between shots, I'd jump into the ocean. And Ritik was like, "What the hell are you doing? Get out!" I'm like, "I want to swim. I want to do my bit." So similarly, when we went to New Zealand, I wanted to skydive. And Rakesh uncle was like, "No, you're not going skydiving. कुछ हो गया तो film के बाद कर लेना." I'm like, "Arey, you don't mind me doing it and putting my life in jeopardy post the film and all." So we had that joke or whatever. So the next best option was going rafting in the short over jet, okay, which was through these, really bumpy waters and ice cold waters and stuff. Now I knew if I said I want to go alone, I'm not going to be allowed. So I conned Ritik and I said, "Ritik, chal, we'll both go." And Ritik was like, no, are you crazy? Dad will scream this. I said, "Just let this go." We had a free day. And then Ritik and I went into the short over jet and we were screaming and shouting and laughing. As you can see, we have our life vests on and everything. It was a very dangerous experience. We were going through like these little mountains with the water and going through this ice cold and everything. And this is our smiling picture. Jo we are shitting bricks, but we are smiling through it, not revealing that actually hamari fat rahi thi. It's a very cute moment of ours.
That's a very cool memory.
Okay.
I don't think actors today even have such real moments, like we shared with our co-stars.
As we just discussed, 30 days and we shoot and leave.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So this is with Sanju at his home on my birthday. He's very protective and possessive. So with him, when I go to his house, I'm not allowed to wear shorts. I'm not allowed to wear Western clothes. I have to be in a salwar kameez. So Sanju is one person who always says, "You're too innocent to be in this film industry. मैं तेरी शादी करवाऊंगा, मैं लड़का ढूंढूंगा, मैं कन्यादान करूंगा." So he's very protective and adores me and is always looking out for my well-being. He'll always, when he meets me or he messages me, "You're okay na? You're okay na?" He actually treats me like a bacha. So this was one of my birthdays. So I was in Sanju's house cutting my cake and I was in a salwar kameez, and the protective person that he is, as you can see, and I'm feeding him. It was just a very private gathering. It was not big. It was just him, Manita, a few close friends, and we had a personal birthday celebration. So it was my birthday on the 9th of June.
So pretty. I think I found some really good gems.
Oh my God. Okay, so one of the first world tours that I did was the Salman, Sanju, Bobby, Sunny and Bipasha world tour. This is one of them on stage with both of us. And Salman has this habit of never rehearsing. Okay, and he's very cool about it. He's like, "Amisha, you do everything, I'll follow." So sometimes what happens is he's singing my lines, I'm singing his lines, and it's a complete riot on stage. So every show is different. So this is one of those shows, I think it was New Jersey or New York, I can't remember. But he's a rock star, you can make out, always.
That's
So
Salman.
this is
for
one
you.
of our American show. Oh my God, how cute. So this is, Amir had actually cast me for Mangal Pandey and he was convinced I could do the film. When he called me, I was shooting in Chennai with Mahesh Babu for my Telugu film with him. And Amir said, "Listen, when are you coming back? Come home. I have to narrate you. I want you in Mangal Pandey." And I went home to his house after coming back from Chennai, and he narrated me the subject. And he said, "I need a girl who is comfortable, who will look pretty without a drop of makeup. It's a de-glamorized role, and it has you're a vidva. The first scene opens with Sati. So you have to be comfortable being that Bengali character in a white sari in almost the whole film." And like I told you, I love challenges, and I said yes. And so Amir and I have a great bond. And then this was a couple of years after that, I think at a Bombay Times party. And Amir and I clicked this picture together.
I think thank God we have these pictures so we can have so many beautiful memories.
Oh, a small little cute part in Om Shanti Om with my dream lover SRK. And I hope this picture is just not a picture and one day becomes a full-fledged film. So yeah, this was the moment from Om Shanti Om, and was a very cute moment with Shah Rukh and me doing one of his typical films, and he does this the step that is iconic to him, and I was lucky enough to be part of that. Backdrop is Switzerland, but it was actually a studio in Bombay. It looks freezing cold. It was not in this particular instant. Otherwise, normally when we are in the snow, we really are in our thin chiffon saris, freezing our butts off. But this was we redid this in a studio. So
God, I have like searched so much. I think I have found enough pictures, and we have the last two now.
oh, lovely. So this is, of course, when Priyanka and Nick got married, and they had their reception in India for all of us. And it has some of my favorite people in there. It has my best friend Kunal in it. It has Randhir ji, who I'm very, very fond of. And we had all actually gone for the function together. Randhir ji, me, Kunal, my friend Reshma from LA. So we all went for it together. And this was the reception picture from then.
I think for me, this picture also signifies that what you were telling me earlier in the podcast, that people write multiple things, but only you know what the real truth is. So all the enemy and the rivalry which was already always created.
This picture says it all. Like, I did a film with Priyanka called Aapki Khatir, and I've done films with Lara, Elan, I've done films with Rani, Mangal Pandey, and Thoda Pyar, Thoda Magic. I've done an awesome cast film like Honeymoon Travels. I've done Bhool Bhulaiya with Vidya. I've done Race 2 with Deepika and Jacqueline, and you've never heard of anything that I've had a cat fight with anyone. And the heroes, though, anyway, nothing. But I've had, in fact, today I feel that when people ask me, would you love to do a film with Kareena? I'm like, absolutely. It would make for a great viewing, curious viewing with people. So I have no, hang-ups about that.
Okay, I know it's a little emotional, but...
So this was, I think, one of the only pictures I have with one of the most amazing stars that we lost. Sushant and I were at a Christmas party together, and we took this one and only picture that I have with him. And sad that I can't make any more memories with him. He was a real shining star, and we lost him too soon.
And I think...
he was a beautiful person inside out.
I always say that with his demise, the only takeaway we can have is to have this awareness, the chatter which we were discussing, that industry is not exactly the most stable ground. You really have to have your roots held.
So, yeah, definitely.
Higher. And lastly,
cutest picture. So this is during Race 2 shooting.
Oh, it's Race 2.
It's Race 2. We were shooting in Istanbul. Our entire film was shot in Istanbul and Antalya in Turkey. And this was a picture of the first schedule. And it was when Saif, me and Anil Kapoor were plotting the whole break-in into the museum.
I just saw it last week again.
So, and I had to be that ditzy self. And in fact, Saif was really happy that I was playing Cherry, because he had seen a jhalak of Cherry in Thoda Pyar, Thoda Magic. And he actually complimented me and he said, if anyone can do this, it'll be you, So we had a great camaraderie, and this is from that film in Istanbul.
Thank you for 25 years, and I'm hoping we do the 30, 35 and more to come with you.
Thank you.
Thank
It will
you so
happen.
much for being
It
here.
has to happen.
It will, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Amisha Patel and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.